Sterling, you're at your 6-month checkup. You found the papers. Yeah? You found the paper, didn't you? It makes a crinkly sound, he says. Are you using it as a blanket? Are you going to try to sit up again? Show everyone you can do it. Show everyone you can do it. Okay. Alright, now you got to put your leg down. Come on. Put your leg down. You can do it. Come on. You ready? Am I going to let you go and you're going to fall backwards? You got to push forward. Push forward. Come on. Okay, here we go. You gonna do it? Can you balance yourself? Ah! No. We're waiting on the doctor. Having some fun before you get 6-month shots. Okay, bye-bye.